This routine can be a warm-up before doing other activities, and it can also be a standalone routine workout on those days where you just want a shorter, gentler routine. Let's stand tall, pulling the navel towards the spine, engage the core, lift the chest, crown of the head to the ceiling. And we'll lift one heel and lower, lift the other heel and lower. Going side to side, add some shoulder rolls, rolling the shoulders up, back, and down as we continue with our heel, lift and lower. One more each side. Pause. Palms in front of the chest. We're going to go back to alternating heel lift and lower. Same side arm will push forward. So lift your heel, push your arm forward, heel comes down, pull your hand back, other side. Going side to side. So the purpose of a warm-up is to gradually let our heart rate and breathing rate come up. It's to get some circulation into the muscles, lubrication into the joints, getting the whole body and mind ready to have a successful workout or whatever activity you're doing, whether you're hiking, playing a sport, doing a workout, lifting weights. Warm-up is extremely important. We want to move our body in all directions, arms, legs. One more each side. Let's go to a step touch. So feet are wide. Bring one foot in and tap. Bring the other foot in and tap. Just going side to side. Arms alongside the body. Shoulders back and down. And as we continue with step touch, just push the arms back. Push, push. Activating the upper back, the back of the shoulders. Tall spine. Keep going with this step touch. Bring your arms out to a T. Palms are facing forward. And then we're going to pull the arms back. Just a little pulse. Pull back. Continuous step touch. We're going to alternate between those two moves. We'll do 4 with the arms alongside the body and then 4 out to a T. So it's 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms facing back. Palms facing forward. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. A couple more rounds. Last one of each. Arms alongside the body, palms facing forward, make light fists. We're going into high knees. Lifting those knees nice and high and adding some bicep curls. Just bend your elbows, bend, extend at the arms. We've got a scoop in the lower abdominals to engage the core. Chest lifted, eyes forward. Four, 3, 2, 1. We're going into hamstring curls. Bend your knee, lift your foot behind. And along with our hamstring curls, we'll do a row. Reach the arms forward, palms facing down. You can make light fists again, and then pull the elbows back. We're working back of the body here. If you're doing this as a standalone workout, these exercise snacks or movement breaks throughout the day are great ways to take care of our health and fitness. Getting up from sitting, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms alongside the body, tapping feet out side to side. And then lift your arms out to the side. You decide how high you're lifting your arms. Modified jumping jack. And either continue with tapping the feet, or you could lift your feet to the side. Just adding a little bit of a balance challenge. So either tap side to side or lift side to side, doing what's right for you. Four, 3, 2, 1. Let's go into heel taps forward. And as we tap the heels forward, just swing your arms. One more each side, and then go into toe taps back. Reach the toes back. Again, swinging the arms. Just any way that feels natural. One more each side. Plant your feet. We'll do 3 of those shoulder rolls again, rolling the shoulders up, back, and down. And then 3 big breaths. Inhale, arms to the ceiling. Exhale, arms down. 2 more. And you're ready to either go out and do your activity or carry on with the rest of the day, knowing you took care of your fitness. I'm so glad you joined me, and take good care. I'll see you in another workout.